Hi, I'm Whitney of Wit and Craft, and in this video I am going to teach you how to do the single crochet stitch. To do the single crochet stitch, what we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of crochet. I already have 2 rows done, but this is the same process for working off of the base chain as well. I am going to put the hook into the loop at the end there and pull it tight. And then I'm going to make a chain and do a turn, as it's called in crochet. So I actually turn my work so that I can work down this row. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to take the hook and I'm going to insert it into this space here, and there should be the 2 loops of the stitch below in my hook. Now that is the standard way of crocheting. Your pattern might call for you to crochet in just the back hook hoop, which is this hoop right here, or it might call for you to crochet in just the front hoop, or loop, which is this loop right here. But in general, you're going to go ahead and go through both loops of the stitch. So you're going to put your crochet hook through, and then you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook, and you're going to pull it through once. Now you should have 2 loops on your hook, and you're just going to do that again. Wrap the yarn around your hook, and then you're going to pull the yarn through both loops. And that is how you create your single crochet. So let's do that again. So we're going to insert the hook through the 2 loops. We're going to go through 1, and then we're going to loop again and go through 2. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to insert the hook through the 2 loops of the stitch below. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through once, then we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And that is how you do a single crochet stitch.